Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Digicel announced Marcelo Cataldo as its new group CEO effective May 1. Originally from Paraguay, Marcelo has diverse international experience, having worked across Latin America, the US, and Europe. He joins Digicel from Tigo, Colombia, where he has served as CEO and president since August 2016. Under his watch, Tigo delivered communication services to 16 million customers in Colombia and is on a strong growth trajectory, with its post-paid base up by 21% and its corporate digital services up by almost 35% last year. Jamaica's Best Dressed Chicken has expanded into the Trinidad and Tobago market through an alliance with local conglomerate group HADCO. HADCO, which has diversified operations in the manufacturing, importation, and distribution sectors in the Twin Island Caribbean Republic, has added the Jamaican poultry brand to its food and beverage distribution range. Ava Sinclair, Regional Marketing Manager for Best Dressed Chicken, commented on the brand's foray into Trinidad and Tobago in a news release, saying, "The significance of building strong connections among the Caribbean islands and introducing the essence of Jamaican cuisine is intrinsic to our operations and values as a company, and also absolutely necessary to this region's sustainability and competitiveness." Both Strawberry Hill Hotel in St. Andrew and the Caves Hotel in Negril are up for sale. Both properties are owned by producer and founder of Island Records, Chris Blackwell. The price tag for the Caves, located in Negril's famed West End, has been listed with a sale price of US $18.9 million. The Caves Hotel covers 13 acres and was the backdrop for the 1965 James Bond film, Thunderball. During trading on April 15, 2024, the top three advancing stocks covered the technology, distribution, and healthcare sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Productive Business Solutions, 9.75%, cumulative redeemable shares advanced 18.66% for an $18.63 price increase to close at $118.45 with 8 shares traded. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 13.49% for a 17-cent price jump to close at $1.43 with 9,103 shares traded. G West Corporation Limited shares advanced by 11.39% for a 10-cent price bump to close at 98 cents with 1,552 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 15, 2024, the top three losers covered the media, food, and entertainment sectors. The Limners and Bards Limited declined by 15.2% for a 26 cents price drop to close at $1.45 with 44,863 shares traded. Express Catering Limited declined by 11.36% for a 50-cent drop in price to close at $3.90 with 29,969 shares traded. KLE Group Limited declined by 7.92% for a 19-cent slide in price to close at $2.21 with 10 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange trading, on April 15, 2024, it registered a volume of 176,997 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $1,850,701 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 59 cents. National Enterprises Limited was a volume leader with 57,673 shares, changing hands for a value of $219,206 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents, followed by Trinidad Cement Limited with a volume of 20,000 shares being traded for $54,200 200 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 40 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 15, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $61.18 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $59.53 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.23 and bought the US dollar for $154.46. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.77, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.24 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.92 and bought for $111.68. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.72, selling it for $193.52 and buying it for $189.80. For our credit report tip of the day, it is important to have different types of credit options so you can reach your goals. In order to determine which type of credit option is right for you, schedule a chat with your banker. So let's talk about how to prep for your meeting. Well, first thing, you're going to gather any papers you have about your credit, like your credit report. Write down any questions you have for your banker. Think about why you want to improve your credit and what you hope to achieve. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.